Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. And it's the best part of every month, the unboxing of the new Color Rush Studio design team. Well, not design team, but I'm on the design team, but they're the April kit. And this is the first time I'm seeing it in person, so we're gonna do all the feels together, right? Not cut my finger. All right. So we've got this. I'm going to pull this out of the box. Oh, yay. We got a new one. Oh, cute little thank you too there. So let's see. I always save the tissue paper because it's always fun. You can use that to mat, but we've also got a very fun little sticker on there that says thank you, so we can use that as well later on. So we're gonna go ahead and let me get this all unpackaged so you guys don't have to listen to the crinkle, and I'll be right back. All right, we have all this yummy goodness that we're gonna go ahead and move over. So this is very, very Eastery. And then we have all this fun paper. Alright. So we have Blossom and Bees Bright Hexagon from Echo Park. So it's this very fun tone on tone. Let me put my glasses up. A little floral pattern. And on the back is Bright Hexagons. This one is, I know what I'm going to do with this. Oh, I've already planned that layout out. Okay, let's move that right there. Oh, we have two of these. Okay. So we've got two of those. Love them. And then the next one we have two of these as well. Blossom and Bees growing stems. So very tone on tone blue gingham. And the back side of that is this beautiful floral pattern. And then we have two of these from Blossom and Bees, a 6x4 journaling pad, so a very fun, colorful spring plaid. And on the back of that one is the 4x6 journaling cards. That one would be fun to cut that out and put a picture in there. And then we have, oh my goodness. Alright, so it looks like singles of this. Look at that. Look at that. So this is going to be made by Color Rush Studio. And we get a whole bunch here. So let me start moving some of these over so you can get all of them. Look at how cute. Look at the little funny bunnies holding the banners. On the back side of that is a green polka dot. Then we have the little bunnies holding balloons and flying. Oh my god, look, he's like two. And oh. On the back side of that is a fun little paint stroke, pink multicolored. Then we have tags. I love this. Look at all of these. Look at this little bunny. He's got a little eye patch, or a little like patch on his eye, but it's not a patch. It's like, you know, when you have a dog with a spot on there. Never mind. Easter memories. The little bunny holding the balloons. Look at that floral one. This little bunny's got some dandelions. Little bunnies in a teacup. Oh, this one's cute too because it's got like the paper clip. And then the back side of that is a green and white plaid. Then we have bunnies in these frames, so you could cut out the frames, or you could cut out the frames with the bunnies, and a coral color. On the back is a green tone on tone carrots and hearts. This beautiful yellow with a diagonal floral pattern on it. Those gorgeous with a squiggly line on the yellow. Matches my nails. And on the back side of that we have a tone on tone diagonal coral stripe. Then we have this beautiful, it resembles lace, but those are all little flowers. So cream colored flowers on that. I don't know what color you would call that because it's not really teal and it's not really I don't know how to describe that. I'm at a loss for words, but that's a gorgeous piece of paper. And then you have some Damascus tone-on-tone green. This beautiful rainbow on a blue background. I love the patterned in each one of the stripes on the rainbow. And a yellow polka dot, big polka dot. Oh! And then we do have doubles. So this one I've got a double, so this one goes over here. So it's little funny bunnies with the green polka dot. This one is not a double. So these, you can cut these out for little embellishments, all the little bunnies. And on the back side is a fun little, that same color of blue that I cannot describe. Then we have that same color of blue with a whole bunch of teacups, so you can fussy cut those out. And a fun, colorful stripe that's going to go good with that one. A very fun floral pattern on some pink, and then mostly coral with some blue florals. And then this one, which is the back side of that as well. So that is fun papers. Okay, let's see what we have. So for ribbons and frazzles, or frazzles and ribbons, because I'm dyslexic. Nope, just playing I'm not. But I did read that backwards. We have this very fun white linen with the little florals in it that's going to match the little seafoam green palm, a fun stripe linen one, and then a it's got ruffles, but it's not linen, so that's, oh, that one's cute. I love the frazzles. We do have a Thickers Explore. So this has got the pink, the green, and the blue. Then we've got the bits and pieces, but it's my fun little squishy. I love these little corduroy looking bunnies. We have, what's this one called? Bits and pieces. But it's a rainbow on glitter foam. It's squishy. You guys know I love this squishy, so that's going to be fun to create as well. Then we have more bits and pieces wood veneer, so that's fun. So it's got an umbrella, a bee for bee. Oh, a snail. There's a snail in there. Oh, I have an ant on my desk. And I don't know what's underneath the snail. Oh, there's two bees, a snail, and a watering can with that fun glitter umbrella. Oh, more bits and pieces, but these are embroidery florals, and the backs are always usable, so. Oh, another piece of my umbrella? Is that a piece of the umbrella? No, I don't know what that is, but that's okay. Oh, I bet it goes over here. I'll figure that out. But we've got some embroidery leaves and flowers. Some squishy curts. Oh, I love the squishies. A pack of sequins that match fabulously with the collection. A wood veneer piece that says Happy Spring, so I can color in the bunny, get some paint pens and color that in. And last but certainly not least is our ephemera bits and pieces. So let's just look through this. Whoops. All right, so we've got some florals and a carrot. So I hope you guys can see that. So two florals and a carrot, one of those cute little bunnies on a green background, another carrot, some Easter eggs, a cluster of Easter eggs, another singular Easter egg, bunny in a teacup, some floral bits, carrots, hello spring with the bunny in the blue, cute little floral bunny, another carrot, a framed out bunny with those balloons, the bunny with the patch. His name is Patch. I actually have a bunny on my nail. Welcome spring with a bunny. Hip hop hooray. Oh, happy birthday. Oh. Little bunny sitting under some florals. This bunny is super cute with this little scarf on. another teacup, this big spring, some florals, another flower, and a cute little bunny. I love the bunny. Another teacup. Ooh, I have a teacup stamp I could use with this. Another floral, sorry. Teacup, another flower, and then the little bunnies in the teacup. So that is a glorious kit. It is a glorious kit. I love it. I love it. I cannot wait to start creating, which I'm probably going to do right now. So yeah, head on over to the shop. There are codes and links down below, so please use those. And I will see you in just a few when we start creating with this kit. Bye.